Workshop Wednesday. We got a little bit of entertainment going on here.
Get your peanut, Drago. You're just a peanut eating dog.
Drago loves his peanuts.
That's a good lid you got on too, Dre.
Nice little hat.
Mom tissue one peanut.
So, whoop. Drago says, I need another, give Drago another peanut. I don't, his hat's bothering.
Hey, no, no.
It tickles Eli as much as Drago likes the damn peanuts. Welcome to Wednesday, folks. It's all serious and we're working our butts off in here, can you tell? What am I going to tell you guys today? I got all kinds of stuff moving and rocking and rolling. Remember, I say it every week, rocking and rolling. Look at this. I got me some hooks going there. That's pretty cool. Really good customer. These are going to be fancy. Lots of steel engraving, lots of silver. Pretty dang cool. Got some length on them. So that's pretty cool. There's the rowels that are going to go in them. They don't look too good right now, but they will. It's all good. Then, where's my mouthpiece? I got me a mouthpiece going here. Forged that guy all out. It's going in TCA bit, so pretty cool deal. Kind of creative look. Certainly not a new thing, but just a different twist to what's going on. We see several mouthpieces similar to this in the world. So anyhow, kind of a keyhole looking thing. Not a half breed. San Joaquin-esque. I don't know what to call it. We'll figure it out. Here's the shanks. I think y'all saw that going on. There's the pin. We'll weld all that in. There's the backside. It's all fancy. TCA 2024. This is our 25th. And trying to get the pin back in there. And just a little update. I got told. I got corrected. Remember last week I said, I don't know, the show was the second weekend in October and I don't know what. Well, Scott Hardy, AKA Tater, said, Willie, the show was always the first weekend in October. Oh yeah, this is the first weekend in October. But not anymore. It's the last weekend in September now. So we moved it up a week. That's so the football game can go. We were taking too many people away from the Texas OU football game and their ticket sales had gone down. So we got all that fixed. Now Texas and Oklahoma ain't mad at us, so they can play football. Actually, I don't know what the heck the reason was. But we got it changed over. So that's all good. Last weekend in September at the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum. Thank you, Tater, for getting me all straight. Now I got everybody else straight. Everybody's good. Patreon's kicking, rocking and rolling, man. We're getting all kinds of stuff going on. I did several videos last week on that. Mouthpiece I just showed you, doing the cricket and doing an inlay technique on there. That's pretty cool. I didn't show you that, but an inlay technique that I think goes back to Amazoc, Mexico. It's a city in Mexico, and it's kind of stylized to that region, and it's a really cool way. I've been trying to do it for 20 years, but I was overcomplicating things as usual. And it came pretty dang close this time of accomplishing it like I wanted. It's awesome. So, what else we got? Shoot, I don't know. It's all good. Podcast. Y'all remember I got a podcast on Mondays. Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie. Carrie's the serious one, does all the good talking and thinking and says thoughtful things, and I'm just to fill in the gaps. So, anyhow, y'all check out the podcast. We're getting I think Carrie said we're getting around 450 downloads a week. So, who'd have thought 400 people want to listen to me ramble on? But they don't. You're right. It's Carrie that they want to listen to, and so they have to endure me to listen to Carrie. But we have some pretty cool guests, too. Having a lot of guests here lately. Well, here lately it's been me and Carrie. This week was me and Carrie. But, yeah, we talk about creativity and how to be creative and stay creative and find inspiration and all that stuff. So that's our main topic this week. But anyhow, I hope y'all doing good. Y'all got any questions about podcasts or Patreon or anything else? Mark your dates. Save the dates. It's January, but it's not too early. Save the dates. Last weekend in September. So y'all have a good day, and we'll see y'all next Workshop Wednesday. Adios.